brain boosters. Do you love dolphins? Let's learn 5 fun facts about why they jump. Are you ready? Then let's get into it. 1. Dolphins jump to save energy. Air is easier to move through than water. 2. Dolphins jump to see far away. They look for food and friends from up high. 3. Dolphins jump to talk to each other. The splash sends a message to the group. 4. Dolphins jump to get rid of tiny bugs. Shaking off little sea creatures keep them clean. 5. Dolphins jump just for fun. They love to play and show off. Did you get that? Thanks for watching Brain Boosters. See you next time.